TradingView Cyber Monday sale is here, allowing you to get up to 70% off plus 1 month for free. You can get this deal by clicking on the link in the description below, which will also save you an additional $15 on your subscription. Once you click the link in the description, you're going to see this page that'll allow you to join and unlock your $15 additional bonus. So once you sign up and do that, you can go click over to the plans and you can see all of the deals that they have. As you can see, it's the same as the Black Friday deal, so it's pretty much just extended for another 4 days, which will end on December 4th. So as you can see, the plans will range from $126 to $217 for 13 months. So that boils down to just $969 per month to $1669 per month. In my opinion, the best plan to go with is going to be the premium plan, since as you can see, it's just $217 for 13 months, while it's normally almost $800 for these 13 months. Compared to the plus plan, you can see the premium is $217 and plus is $216. So it's literally $1 more to get premium, and premium offers way more features that you definitely are going to want, like TPO charts, volume footprint, and a lot of other stuff. However, the essential plan is also a decent sale, since it's just the cheapest by far. It's only $126 for 13 months, which boils down to just $969 per month. However, you do get significantly less features, but if you just want a basic charting platform with multiple charts per layout, Essential is not a bad option. So if we scroll down on the sale page here, I'll show you exactly what comes in all of these plans. So starting with premium, as you can see, there's obviously going to be no ads in any of these, but you get the volume profile in all of them, which is a great indicator. But for premium, as you can see, it comes with all this stuff right here, which is time price opportunity charts, which I use all the time for day trading. Volume footprint, which is another great tool you can use for day trading. It comes with auto chart patterns, alerts that don't expire, which is always great. And for $1 more than the plus plan here, it's well worth all the additional features that you get. However, if you don't think you're ever going to need any of that stuff, maybe you just, like the volume profile, you want no ads, you want bar replay, a few watch lists, then this essential plan right here is also a good option. You can see you can get only 2 charts per tab compared to 8. I think that's another really big thing that I care about personally, is how many charts per tab. So I do love the 8 charts. But if you don't really need that, you can go with this 2 charts per tab. Plus you can watch my video on how to get multiple for free. But as you can see, it doesn't come with the TPO charts or any of that advanced stuff. But this is still a really good deal for less than $10 a month if you want to just save some money. Overall, this is going to be the best sale TradingView runs all year by far. So if you were thinking about upgrading, now is definitely the time. And then if you upgrade now, of course, in about a year from now, since it's an annual plan that you'll have to pick, you'll be able to get the sale price again. So this is by far the best time to upgrade because it's the best deal, and then next year you're going to be setting yourself up to get the deal again. So I hope this video is useful. Make sure to use my link in the description so you can get an additional $15 off as well, and I'll see you in the next one.